Beware of what you manifest during sleep. Stop this during bedtime. Hey everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach, and we've had a great day soaring high like a beautiful eagle, but it's time for bed. And I want to share with you some ideas that I think are really important. And I think this is so important that I think it merits a video. Before you fall asleep, your mind begins to calm down and it enters what we call Theta State, or this is the hypnotic frequency. So whatever you have been feeding into your mind prior to entering the hypnotic frequency or Theta State is now going directly to your subconscious mind. So if you are sitting around with a phone and you're looking up this, and I wonder how many people are following me here, and who's doing this, and oh wow, look at what's going on there. How dare they? I need to respond to that. And then maybe you put it down, you turn out the lights, and you wonder, I wonder if so and so got back to me. Let me check. And then you're back on the phone again. So what you're doing is you're putting all this noise, this internet noise, into your subconscious mind. And as a manifester, as a high flyer, you desire to put positive, uplifting thoughts into your mind that are designed to take you to the next level in your life. You see, the most important time of the day is that 1 hour before bedtime. So you take this and you put it in another room. Put it out of your bedroom, because if it's in your bedroom, you're tempted to get on the phone again. No laptop, no iPhone, no Android, none of it, okay? At least 1 hour before bedtime. Take this time to empower your life. You see, when you're sitting on the phone or using your laptop before bedtime, you're putting blue light. And blue light goes through your eyes. Your eyes are very powerful. Your eyes are the window to the soul. Stick with me on this. So as you're bringing this blue light, you can turn your phone down, but there's still blue light coming in. What happens is it sends a message to produce more serotonin, which is basically, hey, it's noon. It's time to get up. It's the middle of the day. So in our home, our whole downstairs, automatically, we have it all rigged up with Siri, automatically switches to red lighting about an hour to an hour and a half before bedtime. And then we have red lighting up here as well in our bedroom, so that the red light, what it does, high flyers, is it sends a message to your brain to slow down the serotonin and increase the melatonin. And that's absolutely essential for deep sleep, for repair of the cells in your body, but more importantly, it's essential for manifesting the life that you desire. You know, people think that they manifest during the daytime. Well, Robert, I did this, and I said these affirmations, and I did the 5x55, and I did this, and then I went for a jog, and I said these affirmations. And that isn't really when you manifest the most. When you manifest the most is that 5 minutes, that little window before you fall asleep. That's the key. I mean, that's the key. So promise me, or promise yourself, write it down below here. I will put my phone away 1 hour before bedtime. And I'm not going to look at it. I'll turn it off. I'll even disconnect my Wi-Fi. I haven't done that yet, but I'm going to, I think I'm going to go to that, where I have an easy button where I just hit the button and all of my Wi-Fi is just disconnected as well. You see, I understand how important the subconscious mind is and how important sleep is for manifesting the life that I desire. So I'm willing to go to any means to make certain that I don't interrupt that pattern of positive growth, positive development, and manifesting the life that I truly love. So in addition to that, and this is absolutely, I believe it's critical. It's absolutely critical. As you are falling asleep, you've been off your phone for an hour, that 5 minutes is important. Have you got into any kind of a situation today where you need to forgive someone? And so I think it's important to send them forgiving energies. Maybe tomorrow you'll make a phone call or you'll send an email. But for right now, just forgive them. Even if it was their fault, high flyers. Even if it was their fault. You're forgiving them for yourself so that you can sleep in peace. Okay, then I think it's absolutely important that you understand that gratitude as you're falling asleep, all the things that you're grateful for from the past and all the things that are coming into your life, the great things that are coming into your life that you're absolutely grateful for. Look at energy from the infinite source is filtered through your subconscious mind, your conscious mind, and out your eyes. Your eyes are the window to the soul. So if you are exposing your eyes to this an hour before bedtime, that's the movie. That's the movie that begins to play in your mind, those bits and pieces. People say, well, Robert, my dreams are fragmented, little bits here, little bits there. They're fragmented because of this and the TV and a few other things, okay? When I dream, most nights, my dreams are deep. They are in alignment with my dreams and goals, and I am literally reshaping and reshifting my conscious life through my unconscious beliefs and thoughts and dreams. So beware of this crazy thing before bedtime. Beware of television. Beware of anything that's electronic. Visualize the life you desire as you fall asleep. Right here. Visualize it. The life you desire. What it looks like. What it feels like. And visualize it in present tense. And then experience 6 to 8 hours of positive, uplifting dreaming. So high flyers, I want you to write this down. I want you to memorize it because I think it's important. It's important on your journey. And part of your journey, believe it or not, your journey is not just when you're awake. Your journey is also when you are sleeping and preparing for sleep. The life we live during the day was created by the dreams we had during the night. You have a great day, great night, because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.